Introducing the only official Jeopardy training game in the world, and it's now available to you in the Training Arcade. Jeopardy! Created in partnership with Jeopardy Productions, follows the classic rules of America's favorite quiz show. The games play like the show, with rounds for Jeopardy, Double Jeopardy, and Final Jeopardy, even daily doubles. You'll love how fast and easy it is to build your own Jeopardy games in the Training Arcade. Clues can be text, images, or videos. Players compete for the leaderboard dominance by racking up points in the first 2 rounds and going big in Final Jeopardy. Points and its associated data are showcased in the analytics dashboard to identify individual and group knowledge gaps. Jeopardy is the game of choice for assessing and reinforcing hard and soft skills for e-learning and live or virtual instructor-led training. It's time to have your training take center stage and turn employees into star performers with Jeopardy! This is Jeopardy! This is training!